you say. So today lesson is about ways to say thank you. Ways to say thank you. So how much do you know about the ways that you can say thank you? How much or how many ways can you use instead of saying thank you to somebody? Okay, so today we are going to learn some phrases. So there are many ways you can use to say thank you in English. See below. Phrase number one. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. Phrase number two. Many thanks. Many thanks. Many thanks. Phrase number three. I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. Phrase number three. Oh, number four. Words can't describe how thankful I am. Words can't describe how thankful I am. Words can describe how thankful I am. Please accept my best thanks. Please accept my best thanks. Please accept my best thanks. And the next phrase is thanks. You just say thanks. Thanks. Next, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Next one. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Next, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Next, thanks a million. Thanks a million. Thanks a million. And the next phrase is thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch. And next, I don't know how to thank you. I don't know how to thank you. I don't know how to thank you. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video very much. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe for more video. Okay, thank you. Good luck. Bye bye.